Hello everyone! This time we will introduce our high-speed flying cutting roll forming machine. First, let's take a look at the complete production line. The entire production line includes a decoiler, coil loading stand, the high-speed flying cutting roll forming machine, and a run-out table with a stacking support. The steel coil is fed from the decoiler into the machine, where it passes through multiple roller stations that gradually shape it into the final profile. At the end of the machine, the profile is cut to length by a high-speed flying cutting. Compared to traditional roll forming machines, our high-speed flying cutting roll forming machine does not need to stop the rollers during cutting. This significantly increases production speed. The finished products are automatically stacked on the run-out table, and the entire process is fully automated, greatly reducing labor costs.